Ever wonder what a really weak AMD graphics card, the Radeon R5 230, would do in 3DMark Firestrike? Well, here's the results. 350 points. Graphics score 357, combined 133, and this particular hardware combination that I have, just one person had tried this before. So it shows best 382 and average 382, and my score was 352. Mine is quite a bit lower because my card is passive cooled. Maybe his is his R5 200 series is a different version, slightly more powerful and with a fan. But yeah, so I'll just now show you what it looks like to run the Firestrike test and how slow the frame rate looks like. So these are the specifications. I'm not sure if they are entirely accurate. I think so. KCOS is the core name. 40 nanometers. I think it's the terascale architecture and the terascale. 4 ops, 8 TMUs, 160 unified. I'm not sure if that's correct. Probably 130. I don't know. GDDR3. Not sure if that's correct either. I think it might even be a regular DDR3. I'm not sure. Bus width 64-bit. The frequencies are 660 and memory is something like I think it's 660. I'm not sure. Have to look at the sensors. The memory is 666, yeah, 625, and temperature and idling at 1440p resolution, it's 49 degrees C, and it, as I said, it's passively cooled. So as you can see, it's like a comic, a slideshow. Very entertaining. It doesn't show in this particular combined test, it doesn't show the frames per second, but it's obviously way less than 1. It's maybe 0.4 frames per second. If that, 0.4, yeah, maybe 0.4 average. You're just basically watching a series of static pictures. But it does render them absolutely correctly, as it has all the hardware and driver support for DirectX 11. So it renders just fine. It just doesn't have any horsepower to do it quickly. And one other thing I just wanted to show, this two-dimensional platformer fighting game. It's called Brawlhalla, and you would think that something like this, which has basic 2D graphics, would run fine. And it's showing about 50 frames per second, but it's not... even though it's 50 frames per second, it doesn't feel smooth. So this card is struggling even in a basic 2D game when you're playing it at 1440p resolution. Just here I want to show you what it looks like. I'm not gonna take it out right now, but it's a very basic, small, passively cooled single slot PCI Express 2.0 card, and it has VGA HDMI and dual link DVI outputs. And obviously, if you want to use the 1440p resolution, you have to use the dual link DVI.